friends. It is Monday, and this is our mini lesson for both your window pane and your word problems for today. So I'm going to show you how to solve the things on the window pane, or talk about that a little bit, and show you how to solve a different word problem that will help you solve the ones in the packet. So here is your window pane. It says insert greater than, less than, and equal to. So first of all, remember, the point goes to the smaller number. So 9 is less than 15. Okay, see, the point goes to the smaller number, and then the mouth or the wider end goes to the bigger number. 37 is greater than 21. Okay, so that is pointing to the smaller number, and the mouth is going to the bigger. On these type of ones, you need to remember to do the math. So do this side. 8 plus 3 is 11. So you're going to do the math. 9 plus 5 is 14. And then I'm going to put the 2 dots next to the bigger number and the 1 dot toward the smaller number and make my... So 11 is less than 14. Insert just means to put the symbol into the circle like I did. I inserted the less than sign. So here you're going to do the math on both sides. Pay attention to your signs. Do the math on both sides and decide. 20 tens and 200. Think about that. 40 tens and 7 ones. Think about that one. Here, you are going to add 4 two-digit numbers together and use a strategy to come up with an answer. And then on the bottom here, you're just adding 10 to each number. So 30 plus 10, that number plus 10, and 45 plus 10. So then the word problems are two-step word problems. So you need to read and think about what it's asking. I made up one very similar to this one. This one talks about the movie theater and children and adults going to sit at the movie theater and how many empty seats. And then this one says, so let's do the first one. I made up one very similar. Two-step word problem. The Flynn holds 120 people. Sheldon sends 68 students and 18 adults. How many seats are empty? So if there's 120, that's your whole. We're sending 68 second graders and 18 teachers. 2 ways to do it. Okay? The first way, I've got it done here. You take your whole and you subtract the number of students. So 120 minus 60 is 60, and then 60 minus 8 is 52. That's how many seats are remaining after you fill them with students. Then you take that number and you subtract the number of adults. So 52 minus 10 equals 42. 42 minus 2 equals 40. And 40 minus 6 equals 34. That's how many seats are empty. First step, subtracting the students. Second step, subtracting the adults. That's one way. The second way is you can add the number of people that you are going to send to the Flynn together. So I did the students plus the adults and came up with 86. Then I take my whole number of seats and I subtract the students, the people that will be filling them. And look, I came up with 34 twice. So again, this wasn't the one in here, but it was similar to this one. This one says that there are 98 second grade students in Delaware Elementary School. 34 of these students ride the bus to school. 25 get dropped off by a parent. The remaining students walk to school. How many students walk? So again, you can take your whole, subtract the bus riders, and then take the answer for that one and subtract the dropped off ones. And what's left will be your the kids who walk. So that is all you have to do for math today. Okay? So I hope you all had a nice break. Get your math brains out of your pockets, put them in your head, and do some good math. Happy computing.